Hello everyone, welcome to the SEBI Grade A Foundation Series 2026. Today is the day 3 where we'll be talking about direct and indirect cost. So let us take the example of a restaurant. Okay, for example, you own a restaurant wherein you are making some dal, your mixed veg, and maybe some paneer dishes. Okay, so basically every dish has its own cost, right? It has some indirect cost and direct cost, right? So if you are talking about this dal, so all the cost of the ingredients that are used to cook this dal, okay, only this dal will be a direct cost. But if there is any ingredient that is used to produce this dal also, mixed veg also, and paneer also, will be an indirect cost. Why? Because this ingredient, it is used to produce n number of products. So hence I cannot directly say that this product, this ingredient is only used to make a particular product, right? So that is known as indirect cost. But if any ingredient is only used to cook this dal, then it will be a direct cost. And if you are using any specialized chef, maybe you are hiring any specialized chef to produce only dal, to cook only dal, so hence I can say this salary of that chef will be a direct cost. But if that chef is producing everything like dal, mixed veg, paneer also, so I cannot directly attribute right to a single product, so hence that will be a indirect cost. Okay, similarly, when I talk about the rent of the building, now when I talk about the rent of the factory or the building, so that rent is given so as to cook so many things, to produce so many products. Hence this rent also cannot be attributed to any single product, so hence this will also be an indirect cost. So all those costs which I can easily identify with one unit of a product is a direct cost, and indirect cost, those costs which cannot be easily identified with the unit of product, that is indirect cost. Okay, let us see the examples of the direct cost first. Cost of raw material or labor, cost of the steel used to produce a machine, that is also a direct cost. Wages paid to a tailor for stitching a pair of trousers, again a direct cost. But the rent, the salaries of the manager, lighting, that is all a indirect cost. So on the similar lines, there are two questions that you have to answer in the comment section that are both asked in your SEBI Grade A exams. Question 1, which of the following is an example of indirect cost? Let me know in the comment section which one of the option do you think is an indirect cost. And question number 2, that was also asked in your SEBI Grade A 2024 exam. Now I'll give you a hint here that the answer should be between indirect and direct expenses. So please write down the answer in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Best of luck, everyone.